Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're doing Jacques Pepin's chicken and cream sauce. We're starting with 2 tablespoons of butter, 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs, half a cup of Sauvignon Blanc, dry white wine, 1/4 a cup of water, 1 container of pre-sliced baby bellas, 6 to 8 ounces of mushrooms, a tablespoon and a half of flour, a teaspoon of salt, kosher, a teaspoon of pepper, fresh ground black, and we also have some cream and some chives. We're going to start by dropping our 2 tablespoons of butter onto our already hot skillet. I rushed the intro a little bit there because the skillet was already smoking, which, not awful, but not, what you want. Then we're going to take our chicken thighs and we're going to throw them in. After 2.5 minutes, we're going to go ahead and flip our chicken. Then we're going to let it cook for another 2.5 minutes. Okay, at this point, I'm adding the mushrooms. 6 to 8 ounces of mushrooms. We're also going to go ahead and sprinkle in some flour. 1.5 tablespoons if I recall. So now, we're just going to turn the chicken again, with the idea being that doing so mixes everything together. Now we're adding our 1/2 cup of wine and our 1/4 cup of water. And we're bringing these to a boil. Give them a little mix too. You will notice that the mixture comes to a simmer very quickly. Once it's starting to come to a simmer, just mix these together. Once these come to a simmer, we're going to mix in our 1 teaspoon of salt and our 1 teaspoon of black pepper. The tongs were better for this. Just going to do the hokey pokey again. Get all of those flavors into the sauce. Then we're going to cover it and let it cook on a much lower heat for 25 minutes. And this is when you should start your rice or your noodles or whatever. After 25 minutes have passed, we're taking the cover off. We're going to go ahead and add our 1/2 cup of cream. We're going to bring our heat back up and bring it to a boil. And if you want to use your spatula to get as much as you can out of the measuring cup, feel free. And again, we're going to mix this about. We want everything incorporated. And you will see again, it rapidly boils. And we're going to let it boil like this for about a minute. You can use this time to chop up chives, tarragon, or parsley. I've used this time to plate up some rice because I still have some chives left over from last week, and waste not, want not. Okay, it's been a minute. Everybody looks nice and sauced. Go ahead and take some chicken, spray it all over the stove, then pick it back up and plate it. Normally I would serve this with spinach or asparagus or something to veg it up a little bit. But I've had a migraine all day and it just went away because it just started raining. And I am out of vegetables. So I'm going to bam it up with some of this chive. So I'm just going to bam it up with some of this chive and go eat. Look at that. Not bad for like 30 minutes work. Okay, like, subscribe, ding the little bell, leave a comment down below, let me know how I'm doing. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.